Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can easily add Aliexpress reviews to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make are Aliexpress reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, is up to you. And when you got it, click login. Now, right here in application, you just want to write in search and go Aliexpress. And here you got it, Aliexpress reviews. So let's create a widget. And now between carousel, slider, or even grid, or you can just choose this one here. I'm going with the carousel. Let's continue with the template. Now you can change the filters and sorting. So when you're going to click on the filters, you can change the total numbers of reviews to show it's like 3, 4, 5. And you can change the layout and everything, and review style and style. So it's like dark mode. Then just click save. Right after, do you need to choose a plan? If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're going to have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go to basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Just click plus here, write code, and paste the code here. And let's just wait until it's going to load. Click done, save. And let's preview the website. And right now it's going to load. And voila, this is how you can simply add Aliexpress reviews to your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.